Hello, I think you would like to know how to buy Pepe coin on Bybit. If you want, you've come to the right place. My name is Nick and today I'll show you how to do it. So let's get started. As you see, I'm already on Bybit. Okay, and first of all, you need to hover your mouse over assets at the top right and click on funding account. Here you can find your USDT and you need to transfer them to your unified trading account. If you have your USDT already on unified trading account, just skip this step. Okay, but we need to go to funding and click here transfer. Now select here from funding account to unified trading account. Select the necessary coin, USDT in our case, and enter amount. Let's click on all and confirm it. Now go to unified trading account and here you'll see all your USDT. Okay, so the next step, you need to go to trade and find here spot. And now you can find here the necessary pair. In our case, we need to select Pepe USDT, just select it, or you can go to spot, hover your mouse over your current pair and find the necessary pair right here. Just type here, for example, Bitcoin or Pepe and select it. So on this page, you can find all information about this pair and also you can buy this coin for USDT. Okay, now on the right side, you can see buy and sell. In our case, we want to buy, so click on buy. Here you need to click on spot, of course, and select market to buy for market price. And here you can buy order by quantity or by value. For example, let's buy by value. Click on OK, and now enter the necessary amount in USDT. For example, let's buy Pepe for 10 USDT. Enter 10 here, and just click on buy Pepe. Okay, so we will get 555 Pepe coins, and now just click on the buy Pepe button. Click on it, and that's all. Now you can go back to your unified trading account, and here you'll see your coins. And by the way, on this page, you of course can sell these coins. Just click on sell, market. If you want to sell all your coins, drag the slider to the right and click on sell Pepe. Click on it and sell. And that's all. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put a like under this video. Thank you. Goodbye.